Hi there, we are NGSM Management and we understand how difficult it is to implement and maintain an IT infrastructure, even more if that is not the focus of your business. We are here to offer different IT solutions that are adaptable and suitable for different IT use cases. In our case, we are targeting small businesses that are either trying to create a small IT infrastructure or they are trying to replace their IT infrastructure. Our solution is suitable for different small business sizes and is trying to compete with those big providers such as Amazon or Azure from Microsoft. Maybe you already own or are trying to create a business, but you don't want to waste time and money in IT stuff. We understand and support that the focus of your business shouldn't be IT infrastructure. Maybe you already have invested in a costly IT network, or are you planning to invest in a new one? You are shopping around and trying to find alternatives to reduce your costs. Or maybe you have to pay for IT services whenever something is not working in your business. You are tired to be paying for those technician visits that only solve the issues temporarily, but they come back every week or every month. Or maybe you are shopping around to implement a PC network for your business, but you are trying to reduce the cost as much as possible. You have a lot of IT questions and you don't know where to start or where to receive a fair support. You need to update all those PCs that are rarely working and bringing you more problems than solutions. So, we might be able to help you with your struggles. We offer different solutions either to replace your current network or to create a new one, and we guarantee that it's going to be under your budget. So please send us an email or visit this website for further information. We will be happy to answer any questions that you have, and we also be happy to work with you alongside to solve your IT issues. Thank you very much for your time. We hope to hear from you. We are here to take care of your IT infrastructure so you can focus in your business growth.